Okay, guys, well, not new to YouTube, my account got messed up. Anyway, I'm sorry about the chaos, me. I didn't say that, no. Anyway, this one's dedicated to Merrick Kevin's, my girlfriend. If, anyone cares, please tell me how to freaking change the voice shit on this. Because it keeps, like, it'll, like, modify it and stuff. I don't want that. Anyway, I think one of you bros did that, like, paranormal something. Anyway, thanks! I really needed that. Anyway, made this for you, Merrick. You can see it. Sorry, it fucking looks kinda bad, cause I ran out of room. Anyway, anyway, bye guys.